heading back to the desert again because I couldn't get enough of it. But we are meeting up with some friends down there. So we're gonna have some people to ride with down there, which is gonna be fun. They're from the area, so they're gonna be able to show me the ropes, show me all the cool riding spots. And compared to last time, I'm a lot more comfortable on the KX and overall just a better rider too. And I'm familiar with the area, so we should be able to pick up the pace pretty good now. I'm really hyped to get down there. Riding all these different terrains is honestly the best part about off-roading, but I will see you guys along the way. Oh yeah, and on the KX, we got an FMF 4.1 exhaust, and it's gonna make for a lot better video, more entertaining to watch. Because what's a riding video without some graps? Raptor squad. I'll take probably Here we go into Mount Hood. One of the cool things, I guess, about where I live. Only about 40 minutes into the trip, and we're gonna be coming up here on, I guess, one of the most known mountains up in the Pacific Northwest. I'll get you guys a shot once we get a clear visual. All right, so now we're getting into the Mount Hood forest. As you can see, a bunch of trees around here. Up ahead, you can see the elevation is gonna be rising. Well, we're gonna be going through the pass, but you're gonna see the mountains up here on the left.
Palm trees on the beach, what do I got? Low money in my pocket and some pop rocks. I'm coolin', tell her I'm no hot shot. If you just tryna smoke, well I got spots. If you just tryna, what I'm about that. Yeah, baby, I'm chillin'. I'm in my bag, no feelings. Drain with a line, why you so fine? Give it to me once, I need it one more time. Hit up my line when I'm back on your mind. You know who to call when you tryna unwind. Feeling your swag.
Out of the forest now, as you guys can see, the scenery is changing a little bit. We're getting into more of the dry stuff, and it's starting to look more like a desert. Well, for Oregon standards. Our deserts still have some greenery in them, but compared to the wooded stuff up at Brown's Camp, it's the desert. Here we go, getting close. We are now descending into the desert. Well, an Indian reservation here. Check that out. This drive is pretty scenic if you're in the area. Pretty fun. This would be a cool road to hit on a sport bike or even a supermoto. That's an idea for the future.
We can go another time, yeah, baby. Been riding, rolling, drinking, smoking. That's something I do. I've been hiding all of my emotions. That's something I do. I've been rolling around, I've been rolling around. That's something I do. I've been rolling around, I've been rolling around. That's something I do. I've been riding, rolling, drinking, smoking. That's something I do. I've been hiding all of my emotions. That's something I do.
Welcome to Madras. Almost there. All right, we made it. And we're heading straight to the trails. KTM, CRF, and Raptor 660. They say where we're going has some real nice flowy trails, high speed. So I guess we'll see what we got ourselves into. All right, guys, we're on the gravel. You know what that means. Henderson Flat OHV trail system. Oh, this would be a fun road to just rip down. Alright guys, here we go. First ride with the FMF here. Let's get warmed up and we'll start playing around on these hill climbs. This stuff is this is interesting. It's pretty rocky up here. Wow, look at the view from up here. Nice. FMF screams. Oh, buddy. That's fun. This is great technical riding practice, standing up, doing hill climbs on the KX.
See the mountain up there with those towers?
Oh, the one on the right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's the one. Did Jared tell you about if we were trying to get up?
I think.
Yeah.
Didn't he say that you guys made it up one time, right?
Yeah, we've made it up there before once, but
How was it?
it's sick. You can see everything.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully Jared heals up. We'll be able to go.
Yeah. I think the adrenaline's just going. Did he stall it and then it just like...
Yeah, it was up on the hill, and then he started to roll back, and it almost flipped, and then he pulled the clutch in and rolled, and it turned sideways, and then...
Oh, damn.
Okay, yeah, his handlebars just probably went like that.
All right, let's go out onto some trails. Like I said, these should be pretty flowy, I heard. Oh yeah, I can tell already this is gonna be sick. Nice banks. Oh man, that FMF screams. Ooh. Now this stuff's pretty loose, kind of sandy. Gotta watch out for the front end washing out. Alright, let's see what this trail's like. FMF is screaming.
This is one of the hill climbs that is hella big ass rock,
Uh-huh.
but we'll come back and hit it later with everybody too.
Alright. Heck yeah. What a view out here. Oh man, this place is amazing. This FMF makes the bike so much better, so much more fun to ride. Oh man, super flowy. These whoops types of things are massive compared to the wooded trails. Trying to be slightly careful since I don't really know the trail. Oh, buddy. we're getting in the flow of things here. Heck yeah!
How is it going?
Alright. Something's definitely broken in my shoulder though.
What?
I can't move it.
Really?
Well, I can like move. Okay, it's weird. Like I'm gonna go and get an X-ray tomorrow. I can move.
How'd you like those trails?
Oh, it's super nice.
Good.
Way like flowy and all that compared to the woods and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, the trails are pretty wide
And
sometimes.
like you can actually, I like it out here versus like Brown's Camp because you can actually like look around. You know, like you don't feel like you're just like in a forest. Like you can't look.
Yeah, and if you look around at Brown's Camp, like you risk falling off a cliff.
You're gonna, or hitting a tree.
Yeah. And that is going to do it, everybody, for day one in the desert here. We got a couple more videos coming, so make sure you are subscribed. Stay tuned for those. Like I said, we're going to climb like a 6,000 foot weather station. Down there, there's some amazing free riding. You don't have to stick to the trails. It's just all open. So that was an absolute blast. KX was really in the train that it belongs, but make sure you stay tuned for all that. Drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you are not. If you're into motorsports, you're in the right place. With all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one. That Honda's badass.